I'm at Abenteuer and Allrad, one of the largest off-road shows in the world. This is Ronald from Bliss Mobil. And Ronald, we've got here behind us a rather small, as far as off-road vehicles. In fact, I suspect, is this the smallest vehicle that you do?
It is so far, yeah. It's our 11-foot Bliss Mobil. The box itself is 4.10 m, and this is our lifting top model.
Yeah.
So the roof can drop down. Mm-hmm. It's got a high bed in it and a very compact yet complete interior.
Yeah. So obviously the advantage of the dropping down roof, you can get it into a container. So what's the container?
You could get it in a container even with the roof up.
Yeah.
The advantage of this roof is that it lowers when you're driving. Just makes the unit a bit more compact, and it makes for easier driving. You can get to a lot more places when the roof is down.
Yeah, sure. Okay, let's have a look inside then.
Sure.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Oh, now this is very nice inside. Oh, very, very attractive. Well, so we've got a bed that comes down over the living area.
Yeah, correct. I'll show you. The bed runs on 4 actuators. They can push 200 kilograms each. It's electric, as you can see, but it still works even if one of the actuators isn't working.
Yeah.
Should one break, in a very rare case it will, they're very easy to reach, so you can fix them yourself.
Okay, great.
You can stop the bed at any height you want.
Mm-hmm.
You can also put one side up and one side stays put, so you can level the bed when you're parked off-road.
Oh, yes.
Instead of leveling the whole truck.
Yes, no, it's something I think of when I park. Although I can't level my truck, so I have to level it according to the level of the ground.
Yeah, use some wooden blocks. I mean, it's a solution as good as any, but this is, I think, a very elegant one.
Absolutely.
And it will give you a double-sized bed. It's 1.40 m by 2 meters. Mm-hmm. And if you put it up just a little bit, you can drop the table as well. And if you put the backrest of the seating area on the table, you basically have a 4-person bunk bed.
Yes, that's great. Yeah. Mm.
So right here we've got the override panel, and you can operate the whole unit with this panel, or you can use your smartphone, the complementary Garmin tablet, or basically any tablet to check the battery status, dump your black and grey water tank, or fill your fresh water tank.
And how big is the freshwater tank?
Oh, I'm not sure in this size unit. It's one of 2 we have built so far. Because this unit is so compact and we don't have any overhead cabinets, we made a drawer right here. And this is where we would normally place the fresh water tank. So I would have to check the specs for this specific unit. So your lithium-ion batteries are right here. You get one bank by default, 10 kilowatts hour, 400 amps on a 24-volt lithium-ion system. Fresh water tank is down here. We've got a deep freezer down there and the second water filtration system. And right here we have a rather complete kitchen.
It is rather, yes. So is the induction or is it gas?
Correct, induction. No, we don't have gas or propane at all. All the units are completely electric. They run on the lithium-ion system, and you can charge the batteries with the solar array, with your truck alternator, or with shore power.
Yes.
So you've got your fridge right here. Like I said, the deep freezer is down there underneath the couch. And this unit is fitted with the optional kitchen set, which gives you all the cutlery, glasswork, plates, and the pots and pans you can find in the bottom drawer. Yeah,
very nice the way it's been held together. Yeah, it stops it rattling, it stops it moving. Well, obviously, something like this, that's very important.
Absolutely. So we've got a big sink, very important. Right here we've got the trash can, and a cutting board down here fixed with magnets.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had to make a special design for the shower, or the combined bathroom rather, because the roof drops down.
Ah, of course, that was the thing I was wondering, why is it that shape? Yeah, absolutely clear. Because other than in here, just looking at it, you forget that the roof comes down.
Yeah, you miss the overhead cabinets. and of course cabinets like this, where the override panel isn't as tall as you would like it to be. But we may do with what we have.
Well, I think it's absolutely outstanding.
Well, thank you very much.
Yeah. No, really, that's really very nice. This shower it's enormous.
It really is, yeah. Yeah, you've got plenty of space down there.
Yeah, great. And alright, so if I close this, taking the two together, and the two come together.
Yeah, and of course when you're driving,
you'd want to lock it. Yeah, yeah. And storage here.
Yeah, I like to show you these drawers, but I'm a bit ashamed of what's inside because it's not particularly healthy food in there.
Well, yeah.
But you know, we're on the avontuur hour. I think we need to eat from time to time.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
there you go.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So that's for this evening. What are you going to eat tomorrow?
Tomorrow some healthy food, I hope. So all our units come with electric floor heating, a Webasto diesel heater. You can find the control panel right here.
Yeah.
And an AC that can blow both hot and cold air. So you will typically want to use the Webasto to get the cold out and keep it on temperature with the floor heating.
Yes. Oh, great! It's really nice. Let's have a look at the outside then,
sure.
Now
Right here you've got the connection box. This is where you charge your batteries.
Yeah.
This is your AC out, so in case you have an outdoor kitchen, this truck hasn't, but in case you do, you can plug it in this socket and it will power the electric outdoor kitchen. Your water out for an outdoor shower, and we place the thermostat in there as well, so you can have a hot outside shower if you wanted to. You can fill up your freshwater tank right here, and you can dump your grey and black water with these switches, or you can use your phone or the switches inside. There's an override for everything. Yeah. These are just some lighting. We've got audio in this box as well. So again, if you're using the outdoor kitchen, you can have a small party right here.
Yeah.
Now, since the storage space in this compact unit is quite limited, we placed a box on the rear. We've got a hatch right here, and one off. You'll see that this offers plenty of space that you're lacking inside.
Yeah, it certainly does. Although it would be a bit difficult to get stuff from out.
Correct. So we have done one of these boxes before for another 11-foot lifting top, and we actually placed a pulley system inside, so you can get folding bicycles out very easily.
Okay.
For example.
Yeah.
There you go.
All right. Well, that's quite an outstanding vehicle, I think. Now, what about the base vehicle?
Yeah, in this case, it's a Unimog U1300L. It's an older truck. It's from the 80s. Yeah, there's not much to tell about this truck.
Okay, no, but
it's a short wheelbase Unimog, and that's typically the vehicle you will want to use with an 11-foot unit because it sits on this kind of truck very nicely. Yeah. But of course, we are focused on building the box.
Yeah, not
we
the
do
vehicle.
just that.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. And so, what is the cost of the box? How much are we looking at for something like this?
11-foot lifting top is 197,000 euros, excluding VAT.
That's right. 200. So if it was in, it's about Germany. What's it now? I've forgotten. About 240,000 with value-added tax, approximately.
Correct.
Okay. Well, anyway, that is a very nice-looking vehicle, I think. So let's just get a final shot, and well, thanks very much, and we'll have a look in other videos at some of the other vehicles.
Sure.